Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about what is lead time. It is a very important term in supply chain and many people misunderstand about what is lead time and why it's very important to understand why lead time can impact your operation. So in a simple language, lead time is a latency between initiation and completion of a process. So it differentiates the timing between the initiation of the process and the completion. So for example, the lead time between the placement of an order and the delivery of a new car by a given manufacturer might be between 2 weeks and 6 months, depending on various particularities. So the 2 weeks and 6 months is known as a lead time here. So if you understand in a very simple way, when you want to do something and when you want to achieve something, so there's a two things: do something, achieve something. So the timing between from doing something to achieve something is a lead time. And in supply chain, when you might want to buy something, if you are in procurement, if you procure something, so you place an order. When you place an order, so that from that day to the day when you're gonna receive your order is the lead time. So I will explain. So if you buy something from Amazon XYZ, this is something you buy from Amazon and it's your home here. In between there's a warehouse where is Amazon gonna store. And so when you buy here from Amazon website, so this order goes directly into the warehouse, for example, and they will prepare your order. They receive your order through website and they prepare your order, they pack it and they deliver it. So the time when you place an order, you will see that your order gonna receive in 2 days or 3 days. So when you see 2 days or 3 days, that's the lead time for the completion. And that can be in production, that can be in manufacturing, or that can be in buying simply. When you buy also you have lead time. And when you place an order, for example here in Amazon warehouse, they when they receive order now, and they have many steps beneath. They're gonna find the item, pack the item, completion of like all the details. So they're also gonna have a lead time here. So if they give you 2 days as a lead time to receive your order, then they might take 1 day to complete this process. So for them 1 day is also a lead time. So it varies from different operation to operation, whatever you are in production. It's calculated in a different way according to the step or the production line or any other aspect you have. In buying it's a different way, in manufacturing it's a different way, but the main concept of lead time is to identify, to give you a sense or give you a kind of prediction when you're going to receive your order. So if you place order today and if you're receiving your order tomorrow, so you have 1 day lead time. And it's very important so that you, when you have the lead time, you can tell your customer. If you're buying, for example, if you're buying something for your customer and you are in the middle person, you're gonna buy from the manufacturer, you buy from here, they're gonna ship you back, and you receive the customer order first. That's the first step. Here's the first step, here's second, that's the third, and that's the fourth. So when you receive the order from the customer, you identify, you analyze from where you have to buy, and then you tell your manufacturer that you need this much quantity for this much price by your negotiation, and then they're gonna deliver. So when you get an order from your customer, you analyze, then you ask for the quote. That's a quotation from your manufacturer, how much time they will take to deliver you back, and according to that you will tell your customer back at the same time that it might take this much time to get your order done. So if you're okay, you can place the order. So if they're okay, then they will place the order. Then you place order with your manufacturer, they ship you back, and then you ship back to your customer. So in between all these things, 1 2 3 4, they have the lead time, they have the time between it, and that is the lead time. So I hope you understand some basic concept of lead time from this video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment, and I will come back with more videos. Thank you so much.